Imagine how effectively you could manage your company's production process with the automation of order processing and time and action tracking. Our application is easy as a spreadsheet, yet powerful as a database.
Everybody uses spreadsheets. How do we get away from spreadsheets? Or are spreadsheets still really the only way to get the information there when you need it?
The person who develops an easier way than spreadsheets, users will embrace.
In a global marketplace, the common thread is the movement of goods, from raw materials to finished product, manufactured or outsourced, imported or exported. Companies need to know where their goods or production processes are at all times. Small business face greater challenges with fewer financial and personnel resources, which can be better spent than on complicated or expensive software.
If you have a technology that helps them communicate better, they will utilize it.
It just has to be easy for them to use.
Easy, flexible, not a lot of time spent, and have the input that you're looking for.
Lifecycle has developed a flexible production-driven web application complex enough to handle all the major functions required to run a competitive business, yet simple enough for the most technologically challenged. We have combined knowledge of product development with the power of sales order management to create a simple that streamlines raw material, production, and time and event tracking. Our system will reduce development and administrative cost and thus greatly improve gross profit margin, speed up turn to market, and increase productivity and reduce duplication of tasks and errors.
I think that technology, it's hard to predict what it will be, but the one thing to remember is the technology that gives you the fastest information and the most accurate, knowledge is power. And users will adopt it. We are adopters.
Communicate effectively with clients and suppliers, leading to increased transparency, improved collaboration, and better sourcing strategies. Reduce costs and improve productivity by bringing together your company's people, products, and processes into a single production-driven data management environment. Centralize and securely share current production data and manage change across the global product network.
As a fashion sales rep for 25 years, I had always prided myself on giving excellent customer service. But when this system came along, quite frankly, I wondered how I had survived without it all this time. Suddenly, I was no longer dependent on long-distance phone calls or emails to and from the factory to follow up on production. I could now follow it up from my office online. And better yet, my customers could do the same thing, whether it be Harley-Davidson or Timberland, both of which are U.S. accounts. They could follow up on their own production from the comfort of their own offices. So this proved to be an invaluable tool in that regard. In this economy, relationship building with clients is more critical than ever. And a product like this really enables you to build and maintain those relationships to a much higher degree. So it's really a very, very important tool to have.